I just wanted to take a few minutes to address all of our clients, our friends, our colleagues, and everyone who follows us on Instagram and who's obviously been reading our website for many years now and getting information from it. We want to let you know that we're still very much operational. Me and my team are still out there. We're still working. We're still looking to help our clients, our buyers and our sellers. Now, we won't be able to do traditional, open houses or normal showings. But what we will be doing is we'll be doing virtual tours, and we will be doing FaceTime if need be, as clients need to look at properties. More than anything, as we've always believed in, we've put a strap line in front of our business, which has helped clients make a better decision. And now more than ever, we strongly feel that our clients and our friends and everybody that we know is looking for answers, and they're looking to understand what's going to happen next. It's a very uncertain time, it's very unsettling, and we feel that information is absolutely key. It'll give peace of mind. We obviously want to avoid misinformation, which can be very, very damaging. So we're very careful of what we put out. But I do want to say we're here for everyone. Now, I will tell you that what I have noticed, as I'm standing here in Coral Gables and standing outside my house, I've learned to appreciate the incredible beauty that we have here in South Florida, that we have here in Miami, and that we have here in Coral Gables. I'm very thankful for the opportunity to actually take time to stop and look around and walk around these neighborhoods and walk around some of the other areas. Of course, I've done it very carefully. I've kept my distance from other people. But as my neighbors have done, I've realized that it's actually brought a lot of us much closer together. I found neighbors very civil to each other, caring, concerned about the well-being and health of others who live in the area. And I'm, very thankful and happy to say that although the crisis has been somewhat isolating, it's in an ironic way brought many of us closer together. It's enabled us to spend more time with our families. And I think in this, and I use the analogy, in this crazy world and the time that we call the human race, it's stopped us from running, and now we're having to walk. And this, I think, is a chance and opportunity to actually breathe a little bit and to look with a little bit of thoughtfulness about where we are and how we spend our time. Now, I want everyone to know that we are going to be, we're here to help. We're here to give guidance. This is what we do. This is what we can do to help. And we're going to be putting out every day a piece of information through Instagram about what's coming up in our 2020 report. It was my decision a few days ago to really build out this in-depth report to help everyone. We have software that no one has access to, and I think it's important to use that for good and to give everyone information and optics that they could want to make a better decision. So we'll be putting that information out every day, one thing a day, and the report we hope will be ready within about a week to 10 days from now. So by the 1st of the month, we'll be ready to go. So as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll continue to bring you information as we move forward. Thank you.